Imagine stepping into a room and instantly feeling a wave of calm wash over you. Or imagine starting your day by choosing a specific number that sets the tone for positivity and success. Colors and numbers aren't just parts of our visual and mathematical experiences. They are keys to unlocking our emotional states and influencing our daily lives in profound ways. This video will guide you through understanding the psychology of colors and how numbers can play a pivotal role in our daily decisions, setting us up for a life filled with more joy and less stress. Let's look into how simple changes in our surroundings and choices can significantly impact our mood and well-being. Colors are powerful. They have the ability to influence our mood, emotions, and even behaviors. Scientific studies have shown that different colors can have various effects on our psychological state. For instance, blue is often associated with calmness and serenity. It is believed to slow down human metabolism, inducing a calming effect, which is why it's frequently used in bedrooms and healthcare facilities to promote tranquility. Red, on the other hand, is associated with energy, passion, and action. It can increase one's heart rate and excite the senses, making it a popular choice in places that aim to stir excitement, such as gyms and nightclubs. Green is another color that's widely noted for its harmonizing effect. Often used to symbolize nature, it helps reduce anxiety, providing a sense of peace and tranquility. Yellow, often associated with happiness, is vibrant and can lift spirits. But it's important to use it sparingly, as it can also cause fatigue to the eyes if overused. Understanding these effects can help us make more informed decisions about the colors we surround ourselves with. Whether it's the color of the walls in our home or the hue of the clothes we wear, each choice influences our daily experiences and moods. Knowing the impact colors have, you can start integrating them into your life to harness their benefits. Let's explore some practical ways to do this. Starting with your living environment, consider the mood you want to foster in each room. For a bedroom, soothing colors like soft blues or gentle greens can create a calming sanctuary for sleep. In your home office, shades of violet or earthy greens can enhance concentration and creativity. Your choice of clothing is another powerful way to incorporate color therapy into your everyday life. Wearing clothes in colors that resonate with the energy you wish to project can subtly boost your mood and confidence. For example, wearing red can be your go-to for days when you need an extra boost of confidence and motivation, while white can be perfect for days when you seek peace and simplicity. Insectorizing with colors can be both fun and beneficial. A vibrant tie, scarf, or even a notebook can act as a small but effective mood enhancer throughout the day. The key is to be conscious of the psychological effects these colors have and making deliberate choices based on the mood or atmosphere you aim to achieve. By understanding and applying the psychology of colors in your daily life, you can create an environment and a personal style that not only looks good, but also feels good. These small but impactful changes can lead to a more positive and controlled emotional state day in and day out. Just as colors can influence our emotions and decisions, numbers also hold significant sway over our daily lives. Numerology, the study of numbers, suggests that each number carries specific energies that can affect our personal experiences. For instance, consider how often we encounter numbers throughout our day, from the time on our clocks to the numbers associated with important dates. Numbers like 1, associated with new beginnings, and 7, often linked to completeness or perfection, can carry subconscious influences. By recognizing these associations, we can align our activities and decisions in a way that promotes a more optimistic outlook. For example, starting a project on a date with a number that represents growth or success to you can provide a psychological boost. The repetition of certain numbers, such as in phone numbers, license plates, or addresses, can also influence our perception of luck and favorability. By choosing combinations that feel positive or fortunate, you can create an environment that reinforces a sense of well-being and assurance, even in small ways. Now that you understand the significance of numbers, let's explore practical ways to incorporate them into your life for positive effects. One straightforward method is through personal identification numbers, like your phone number or house number. Opting for numbers that you resonate with positively can give a subtle yet continuous sense of comfort and positivity. Consider the role of numbers in setting goals or timelines. By breaking down your objectives into numerical targets, like writing a certain number of pages a day or saving a specific amount of money each month, you can make large goals feel more manageable and achievable. This not only helps in maintaining motivation, but also in building a routine that fosters success. In daily planning, using numbers to structure your time can also lead to increased productivity and positivity. Setting aside specific time blocks for tasks based on their priority level or the energy required can help in optimizing your day. For example, allotting 2 hours for a creative project and 1 hour for exercise, according to what works best for your energy levels throughout the day. By integrating thoughtful numerical strategies into your daily routines and decisions, you can enhance your control over your environment and how you experience each day. These strategies allow you to create patterns that align with your aspirations and emotional needs, thus fostering a more positive and proactive lifestyle. Building upon the foundational understanding of colors and numbers, let's explore how you can utilize these elements through meditation to further enhance your sense of well-being. Meditation, a practice rooted in concentration and mindfulness, can be significantly enriched with the deliberate use of colors and numbers to focus the mind and cultivate specific emotional states. Start by selecting a color that represents what you seek to amplify in your life, such as peace, energy, or creativity. During meditation, visualize this color as a radiant light surrounding you, or imagine objects of this color filling your space. This visualization helps to deepen the connection with the desired quality and infuse your mind with its positive attributes. For numbers, you can incorporate them into your meditation by focusing on breathing patterns that align with specific numbers that resonate with you. For instance, you might inhale while counting to 4 and exhale while counting to 6, repeating this cycle a number of times that feels significant to you. This practice not only aids in concentration, but also helps in embedding the positive associations of these numbers into your subconscious. To maximize the impact of both colors and numbers in your life, consider ways to synergistically combine them. This can be done by integrating color-coded systems with numerology in your daily planning or in organizing your living space. For example, you could use a specific colored notebook for your daily tasks that contains a number of pages that matches a significant number for you. Or you might decorate a room with accents in a color that represents tranquility, using sets of items in amounts that reflect numbers associated with harmony and balance. Another practical application is to set personal reminders on your phone or computer using background colors and alert tones based on numerology predictions for the day or your personal lucky numbers. This not only personalizes your environment, but also reinforces the influence of these elements throughout your day. By consciously integrating colors and numbers in practical everyday uses, you create an environment that continuously feeds positive energy back to you. This ongoing interaction with carefully chosen colors and numbers enhances your daily experiences, potentially leading to greater overall satisfaction and a more balanced life. To practically apply the concepts of color and number integration, consider engaging in DIY projects that allow you to creatively embody these principles. For instance, creating a personalized calendar where each month is represented by a specific color and number can help you align with the energies you wish to attract. This can be a fun and artistic way to bring these concepts into a tangible form. Another project might involve crafting color-coded organizers, where each color not only helps categorize items, but also imbues the space with intended energies. Numbers can be incorporated by using a specific number of compartments or layers, each designed to enhance organization while promoting positive vibes according to numerological significance. These projects not only make the process of integrating colors and numbers into your life enjoyable, but also serve as constant reminders of your goals and the energies you are trying to attract. Through these creative endeavors, you actively participate in shaping your environment to reflect the principles of positivity and mindfulness you wish to uphold. Integrating colors and numbers into your daily life can sometimes meet with skepticism or perceived challenges, especially when the results aren't immediately apparent. It's important to approach these challenges with patience and consistency. Initially, the effects might be subtle, and it's common to question their validity. The key is to maintain a consistent approach, allowing the subtle influences of colors and numbers to gradually integrate into your life. If you find yourself struggling to see the benefits, consider adjusting the colors or numbers you're focusing on. Perhaps the energies associated with certain choices aren't perfectly aligned with your current needs. Experimentation is a fundamental part of finding the right balance that uniquely aligns with your personal environment and lifestyle. I encourage you to start small, perhaps by introducing a favorite color into your living space or using a significant number in a small routine decision. As you become more comfortable with these practices, gradually expand their application to see broader impacts. Remember, the journey to a more positive and controlled life using colors and numbers is highly personal and can be profoundly rewarding. Trust in the process, stay consistent, and let these elements work their subtle magic on your everyday experiences. Here's to a brighter, more vibrant life that you have the power to create and enjoy